Oh, maybe that will work. Oh, I'm doing great, thank you. I'm already on vacation from my freelance job for about a week, and I'm going to travel a little bit immediately after Christmas. But today I would like to do App Store optimization, a little bit of that, a little bit of App Store optimization. Oh, let me check. Does that YouTube live streaming thingish works? Probably not. Okay, whatever. I'm fine with that. Yeah, your trip to Canada, that was looking nice. Oh, YouTube stream works as well. Raphael checking in from YouTube. Cool. I wasn't sure that YouTube stream is working. Hey, Raphael. Okay, so that works. Great stuff. Raphael is from Canada, by the way. Antoshkin, hello. Hey, JDrev. So I'm today trying to do 5 App Store in 5 minutes, basically thingish. Yeah, YouTube stream working, amazing. Let me open the chat for myself as well. Maybe on iPad? Yeah, that could work. Restream chat. Found it. Opening in browser. Face ID doesn't like my microphone. Oh gosh, cars. Okay, I will do that for you. Yes, I'm human, believe me. How to tap the things. Okay, it works. Okay, so I got my hands on this App Store ASO mobile kind of App Store optimization tool, and I would like to do kind of quick updates before I'm going into vacation. So I already added my freediving application to it, but that's kind of I would like to add another one. And basically, before that, I just kind of played around with the tool without kind of really understanding what I'm doing. But kind of I see something, some numbers, I don't know, I saw dashboard, app visibility, that's kind of cool. Yeah, you can see where you are, what keywords are kind of improved, which keywords are decreased, but whatever. I just played around without reading kind of instructions. Now I'm going to take a look in instructions, read those, and then update my keywords for my habit tracking application. That's kind of the goal. What I would like to do on the stream. Kind of quickly and short, and of course we can chat a little bit, and also I would like to kind of see how Restream iOS is working, if it works. Currently I'm kind of using free version, which allows me to stream to 2 sources, and currently that's Kik and YouTube. If that will work fine, so maybe I will kind of pay whatever they are asking, $10 in a month, something, to stream to the multiple resources? No, targets, whatever. Twitch, for example, as well. So, try, we don't need to try. I need to add up. That's what I would like to do. I would like to add new application. Atomic Habit Tracker. Probably. Is that my app name? Atomic. How I named it? Could be cool if I know my own app names. Oh my gosh, that alert was loud. But yeah, thanks for sub. Can I fine tune sound for alerts? Probably no. Forgot his app name. Yeah, it is Atomic Daily Habit Tracker. That should be the app name. I guess I wrote something similar. Actually, the problem is that I have 5 apps now in the App Store and few removed and working on few customer apps. So believe me, that's not so hard to forget the app name. It's kind of close, isn't? Atomic Daily Habit Tracker. Atomic Habits kind of leading the search. Okay, here it is. This is my app. And we immediately getting some keyword suggestions. Okay, cool. Add competitors. Oh, I will just follow kind of instructions. Stefan will do app this year. That's cool. I'm planning to do more than one app. I'm not sure. I was thinking maybe do some kind of challenge, like do, I don't know, up in a month, or I don't know, up in 2 months. But I don't know, at the end of the day, it kind of makes sense to make money from applications, and more apps doesn't always mean kind of more money. So I didn't decide that yet, but definitely I definitely will build at least one more application next year. I was thinking about launching it before New Year, and I started to work on it, but scrap it today later. I will be taken to the keyword monitor. I think I am in the keyword monitor already, right? Add keywords to your organic ranking. Okay, let's add all those keywords. Add up. And I am in keyword monitor. Okay, nice. And I already kind of added few keywords. Hey, Falin, hello. Go to the keyword finder. Go to relevant tab. Okay. Keyword finder. Relevant. Okay. Loading. Finally got you. Yeah, I didn't stream a lot. I was kind of, I don't know what to say, busy or lazy or both. Maybe both. Let's say both. Let me see what I have here in the background. Do I have any super secrets? Oh no, this is just App Store opened. That's fine. You can keep sharing the screen. Yeah, I don't know, are those good or bad news, but let's say so. Next year I would like to do some streaming in general, but probably that will be like late night streaming like it is now, because it will be kind of harder to do any kind of streaming during the day like I did that co-working streams. That is not going to happen, probably. I saw M3 Pro at the store yesterday. Oh, I saw in the store as well. And I kind of ordered one, but not yet. So what we do here, tick the keyword, tick all the keywords. Okay. Let's check all the keywords. Oh no. So wait a minute, all the keywords? Select the most relevant keyword and click the icon left top option search. Oh, okay, I see. So we are kind of tracker is already added. So basically I'm kind of adding like that. Yeah, sure. Home screen no, habits, goals, makes sense. Widget, no. I don't think widget is good keyword for, okay, maybe. Goal setting, yes. Let's add that one, atomic. So basically I'm kind of adding goal setter, maybe daily, yes, habit, track it, habit. Small, no. So habit tracker, that's probably my kind of most daily habit tracker. I will go with daily habit tracker. Let's select this one. And what are top apps here? Yeah, sure, habit tracking app, daily habit. Actually, there are shitload of apps. Maybe habit tracker widget, but yeah, I don't have that in suggestions. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Okay, and then I'm supposed to add competitors. Okay, gotcha. So this one definitely. Daily habit tracker, this is probably. Oh my gosh, so alerts are loud. Are they loud on stream as well? Let me check, can I fix that? Advanced audio. Oh, probably I can't really change audio here. Yeah, I do not see option to change it now. Hey, Rogerio, hello. I guess this one could be interesting competitor. Oh my gosh, so many habit tracking applications. Actually, that wasn't a good idea to build habit tracker, of course, but whatever. I built one. Let's try to rank it. At least it will be good, the App Store search optimization kind of exercise. Okay, what next? Okay, I added my competitors. I also added go to the app keywords tool, the competitors tab. Okay, so I added that. App keywords. Okay, here. Competitors. Okay. And yeah, what I like in this tool so far, while I played around with it, you can see basically traffic, how much downloads, estimate numbers of users kind of searching for this keyword per what, per hour, per day. So that's not bad. That's kind of interesting information to kind of see. So basically, habit tracker 1000 and something kind of searches. 75 hard. Oh, interesting. That's an interesting keyword. That's not really kind of habit related, but kind of, yeah. 75 hard challenge. That's kind of fitness and productivity challenge. Not really kind of good or healthy if you ask me, but I just know it, and yeah, that's kind of interesting. Okay, what we are doing next. So go to competitors tab, filter, and enter minimum. Let's say 15. Yeah, that's okay. Filter. I see. Mean. Let's go 50. Okay, what's next? Add all the keywords at competitors index in progress bar is orange or green by clicking plus. Huh. Ciao, Martin. Yeah, hello, friend. Yeah, indeed, Christmas miracle. And we have Christmas music, lo-fi music, but Christmas theme, so cool, right? Foxbeat. Yeah. Every second rated developer has at least one habit tracker. Yes, that's true. that's part of being cool. Yeah, maybe that's why we have so many apps in the App Store. Habit tracker apps and task managers. Maybe, yeah, because all the cool developers build one, so I have to have my own as well. I have already, yeah. Okay. So what next? So we are looking for green and orange keywords. Oh, that will be shitload of keywords. Okay, whatever. Let's try. Planning to build task manager as well. Sure, we don't have enough task manager applications. I'm with you. I totally agree with you. Okay, so how many pages? 5 pages? Really? It's crazy. Can we somehow... Is this filtration kind of enabled? Yeah, it is already. Traffic. Okay, can we sort by this thingish? Okay, we are not interested in red. Think dirty, that's an interesting keyword. Not for habit tracker, probably. Okay, nothing in green. What does that mean? Competitors in top 50. The number of competitors that are indexed for this query in top 50. So basically we are interested that the less is kind of better, and if we will sort like that, we are interested in orange and green. So why? Add all the keywords where the competitor index in progress bar is orange or green by clicking the plus buttons. Okay, maybe. Oh, I already have few of them kind of checked, that's good. Habits on health, daily tracker. Okay, routines, yes. I will maybe skip some, I don't know, we'll see. Daily habits, yes, sure. Goal tracker, free. I'm not sure about free kind of keyword, because it's kind of... Habit tracker, sure. ADHD, yes, actually, that's good keyword, actually. I'm not tested on ADHD, probably I'm not, but I know that myself, and many of people kind of feeling that in this age of distractions kind of feeling that probably I have ADHD. Because, yeah, those symptoms are all around. That is brand name. I'm not going for this one. Productive habit tracker. Yes. Daily tracker. Yes. Daily tasks. Yes. Bad habit tracker. No. Okay, maybe one more page and then I'm done. Habits of health. Probably. Habits to be. Okay, whatever. Goal planner, yes. Oh, I already ranked on that. The rank on selected application for this keyword in selected country. Huh, interesting. I'm already ranking for daily goal tracker, but position is very low, 244. So no one is scrolling so far, right? Habits, 173. Not bad, actually. I'm already kind of ranking for habits. That's not bad. Daily planner, not sure, but maybe a routine, something routine-ish. Okay, one more page, let's see. Atomic habits, yeah, definitely. Oh, I am on position 33, not bad actually. Okay, again, if someone is kind of searching for atomic habits and my application will be number 33 in the list, how much chances are to get downloads for this keyword? Close to zero, right? None. But it's already kind of something. It's already kind of on, I don't know, on some pages somewhere. Discipline, maybe. Time planner, no. Trackers, maybe. Okay, I will go. Okay, that is it. Yellowish, last one. Productivity apps, no. Healthy habits, okay, let's get this one. Skincare routine, not sure. Okay, I selected all that I wanted. Next step, go to tips. Oh, that's really good when you start to read. When to start to read manuals. Okay, Excel Pro, hello. Go to the tips tab and add relevant keywords. Okay, tips, where are the tips? Tips. Not enough keywords, right? Tips. Oh, that's well hidden. That's actually well hidden. I will not. Oh no, that's general tips. That's not that. Go to the tips tab. Where do you have tips tab? App keywords. I am in app keywords probably. Hey, hello. This is ASO mobile. Hey Miller. I got it. I got access to the system just to play around with it, and if I will like it, then I will kind of use it for App Store optimization, and maybe I will make video about it as well. We'll see. But that is just another App Store optimization tool. I'm using currently this one, ASO Mobile. I'm using Astro, TryAstro, and TryAstro is kind of small Mac app with less of the features. I'm using App Figures, which is most expensive from those that I have. This one looks I will say interesting, and price it very competitive comparing with us app figures, let's say so. And also I used it before up, what was that one? Up numbers, not up numbers. Whatever, forgot another one. That is way more expensive as well. But I will say that app figures has the cleanest user interface, but also price tag is quite high. Where do you go to that tips tab? ASO creator. Yeah, I don't see where. In screenshot, I don't see tips here. Competitors. What the hell? I was in keyword finder, right? I lost myself already. Keyword check. No. Up keywords. Okay, those are keywords that I selected. So Max tools. Ah, here is translate. I see that thing. Suggestions, probably. Probably that is now renamed from tips to suggestions. I guess that's tips tab. If necessary, use translate button. Yeah, I think that's this. Widgetsmith. I'm not crazy to compete with that keyword, of course. Yeah, basically that's that. Habit tracker. I added that already. Actually not bad, 56. Okay, that's not good at all. Of course, that's not good ranking for keyword, but it's kind of... It's good to rank somewhere already. Whatever, so there are a few more suggestions for keywords, and if you will select translate, what then happen? I do not see. I do not see. Probably I need to kind of select language somewhere. Okay, I'm not going to translate. Let's stick with English. Okay, next step. Go to ASO creator text editor. Okay. I see what we are doing here. Where is ASO creator? ASO creator. Okay, here we are. Oh, interesting. So, oh, that's probably my current subtitle. That's kind of dumb if it is what I have, because habit is kind of used twice here. I have atomic daily habit tracker, which is kind of okayish. I'm trying to get keywords atomic habit and habit tracker and daily habit tracker. So I think title is okayish from App Store optimization perspective. Subtitle, build habit to achieve goals. Goals maybe is kind of decent keyword. Achieve, I don't know. Habits, that is duplication, that is mistake actually. Because if you already have habit in the title, there is no reason to put it one more time in subtitle. And yeah, keywords, we need something here, Okay. So, what we are supposed to do. Go to ASO creator. On the left, you will see your list of keywords, the same list of keyword monitor. On the right, you will see metadata fields that you need to fill with keywords from the list. Okay, start filling metadata using keywords. Life hack. Okay, so let's try. So for Atomic Daily Habit Tracker, I think that's kind of I think this is probably fine. We kind of we are not using all the possible kind of keywords, but let's say I will stick with this one. Build habits to achieve the goals, that is not good. So keywords now are sorted by what? Let's sort by traffic. Tracker, we have habit, tracker, daily, those are in the title. So how this works for App Store optimization? For App Store optimization, basically you're just putting your most important keywords in the title. And we already kind of covered very well this kind of daily habit tracker, yada yada yada. For subtitle, I would like to have widget. And also we have notifications in the application to remind to work. An application that widget works like reminder, so that's kind of could be. Let's say smart, because application do kind of work for you. Smart to do also is kind of related to task management, habit tracking, and so on. And let's go with reminder. And we can click on widget maybe. Can I click? Keyword copied. Widget. So if I will say generate keywords, okay, I have some automatic generated keywords, which is not bad. Maybe goal planner, tracker, route interpreted, ADHD, maybe. Description doesn't make much difference. In App Store, description, yeah, everything's still working, that's fine. In the App Store, description doesn't make any difference. In the Google Play Store, description can make or break your kind of app. That's kind of, it is indexed and used for search. Okay, so I don't know, that kind of looks clear. Maybe let's go to the App Store Connect. Hey Ricardo, hello. Let's hide all the secret information. Let me change this one a little bit. How it looks. I would like to. Yep, better. App Store. I'm not using in Bluetooth mode. I'm using it with dongle. Kind of yes and no. Oh, what happened with my music? Let's go again. That wasn't bad, actually. Wireless, yeah. Oh, I don't have music on this screen, probably. Have I? Maybe not. Okay, I will switch screen back in a minute, in a second, in a few. I will tell you about translation in a second. I will open. Okay, seems that we are in. Yes, we are. Let me check what happened with music. If that only me who doesn't hear it or everyone else as well. Bose 700. No, I'm using Sony XM5. Do you hear music now? I don't, that's why I'm asking. I see I see audio bar, but I do not hear music. Okay, let me go to the loopback app. He hears music. Okay, amazing. So that's your mic is so good. Oh, thank you. That's great. I do not hear music. I don't know what's happening. For some reason. Let me check audio output. I'm happy for you that you hear it. But I don't for some reason. I don't hear my music. Okay, whatever. I will hope that music is great. I will go then to the playlist which I know better. And I will listen to that one. Play, let's say play that one. Okay, whatever. Back to the App Store. So my applications. There was kind of a joke about forgetting app names. And that's really is kind of true. I'm kind of forgetting app names, but I have good excuse. Check out how many I have apps in the App Store. And answering question about localization. No, I do not localize applications. Oh, Yekaterina. Hello, sveiki. I do not localize applications, but I do localize App Store page. Why to do that? Basically, you have more keywords. So, for example, I have App Store kind of in the App Store page in the English. If you go to the app information, you will see there is some app name here. And if I will switch languages, you will see, I don't know, in German. Yeah, something in German, different app name, a little bit different app name in Russian. So, and you can, and in other kind of languages, other English languages, you can just add kind of more keywords. So that makes sense to add kind of localizations just to play around with more keywords. This kind of helps. But I would like to change this application now. App information. So let's go and copy pasta what I just created here. So atomic daily habit. Oh, no, that's going here. I need new app name. I need new app version. Let's go with minor version bump. Create. And now I will be able to change app name. Here it is. Basically you need, if you want to change app name or if you want to change app keywords, basically you need kind of add a new version to the App Store. Okay, I will do copy paste for my keywords, for my subtitle, I mean. Okay, save. Then we should go to that new version, and here is the keywords which I have had before. Oh, again, I have habit here, tracking here, goal. Those keywords are not great. Goal is fine because I don't have goal in the app name or subtitle, but habit tracking, that is just a waste of time. So let's copy and paste those new just generated keywords. Save. And also, again, about localization, I will add, let's go with Arabic. Basically, if you want to get more kind of keywords, I will add Arabic language now. So I'm editing now Arabic. I can change those kind of keywords here. And basically that is kind of adding more kind of more keywords to the same application. Kind of, I don't know how to explain that correctly, but basically by adding additional kind of language which you are not kind of planning to use. For example, I'm not going to translate it in Arabic, but adding kind of another kind of English keywords, you're just kind of adding more keywords to your application, stuff like that. However, I'm not afraid to put all the eggs in one technology ecosystem. Do you plan to learn more technologies? I don't think that is kind of necessary to learn, I don't know, programming in all the different ways. Let me explain maybe why. Because currently I'm building mobile applications. Before I was product manager, more before I was field technicant. Then I was bartender, then I was a policeman, then I was in army, then I was carpenter. So I don't know, all the skills are kind of learnable. This app store kind of thing will not crash in one day, you know, and you can just, you know, learn new skills when that is needed. Also, I'm not putting all the eggs in one basket because I'm doing this kind of YouTube thing. So I'm partly on freelancing, I'm partly on my own applications. I have multiple revenue streams. That's kind of, those are kind of multiple revenue streams. Basically, I did the video last week probably. And in that video I was talking about my revenue streams. Where is my channel? Here is my channel. Okay, this one video. There should be one kind of slide with revenue streams. Let me see. I'm just lazy to look for that. Okay, that's time. Oh, here it is, revenue streams. So basically, my income looks like that. I have 40% from freelance, about 35% from my own applications. Then I have something related to YouTube sponsors, YouTube ads. Then I have affiliate links. Then I have courses, and live stream is here as well. But that is so tiny that you can't see that. The live stream is 0.2% of revenue, something like that, less than 1%. So I don't know. I think that it is risky to have one salary, and then you are basically, if that one salary is gone, whatever it is, web development, mobile development, then it's kind of risky. But if you have, I don't know, if freelance will fail, I will be fine. If indie apps will kind of in one moment go away, I will be totally fine. if my YouTube channel will be blocked for some reason, I will not be able to make money from YouTube. It doesn't really kind of matter from financial perspective. So yeah, something like that, you know. Do you have some tips for promoting an app that have in-app purchases on Google Ads? That have in-app purchases on Google Ads. Do you have some tips for promoting applications? That is just general kind of marketing, App Store optimization. Let's say that is the biggest and easiest way to kind of do that. Basically, what we are doing right now, App Store optimization. If you can kind of get downloads for your application from App Store, so that's great. Anyways, if you want to kind of put some money to, you need to understand which keywords are kind of getting downloads for you, and then you can kind of start to promoting some specific keywords, something like that, you know. So I will not say that throwing money to this problem is kind of smart before you kind of get at least some basic App Store optimization. You still need to App Store optimization. I really want to start iOS. But really afraid because there isn't much job in my country, like to open I didn't work in my country a minute. Junior remote jobs. Yeah, junior remote jobs are hard, but freelancing jobs are relatively easy to kind of get, because if you can build a product, you can get freelance job, and then you start to kind of get experience. That's how I started. I started freelancing. Okay, so what next? Google Play. I do not care about that part. I already downloaded. Now I have optimized my application for search algorithms. Okay. So organic downloads, basically, that's how you can find out which keywords are getting most downloads for your application. Let's take a look on this application, organic downloads. Here is my habit tracking applications. Okay, waiting. That can take a minute. Oh. Nothing found here. Okay, kind of sad. So it doesn't work for this application, at least yet. You can find which keywords your app or your competitor apps are getting installations from. Select the most successful apps in your niche. This will help you. Oh, okay. I can select apps. Can I somehow select my competitors? Organic downloads, total installs. Okay, can I add competitor app habit? So I think this habit tracker seems probably getting kind of plenty of keywords. Okay, let's. Do I have some other competitors? Oh, here is competitors. Actually, can I? Okay, I will need to finish with this one. Let's add the app. And can I see organic downloads for this application now? Organic downloads. Hey, Alex. Great content. Nice. I also did one habit tracking application. Everyone did, right? But haven't success to monetize. Do you have the idea out how to monetize your apps? I am usually going for in-app purchases. Yeah, I do not see here any kind of. If I'm looking on my other apps, I see numbers here. But okay, whatever. Okay, ASO, let's go competitors. Can I see Spy competitors. Oh, interesting. Spy keywords. Oh, those are my competitor keywords. Interesting. If I select search by traffic, habit tracker is kind of, yeah, the big one. Yeah, interesting. What is going on in downloads? Downloads are not available for me. Okay, fine. No, I'm not going to upgrade plan even higher. Music playlist. Yes, I can. Currently, we are playing this playlist. Can I share it? Probably no. Basically, this is on Epidemic Sound. You have to pay for it, and that is not on Spotify. So I don't know if that's kind of interesting for you. I'm just using this music because it's totally fine to play it on any live streams, in YouTube videos, whenever. You will not kind of have any problems with royalty kind of money and all that stuff. Okay, I lost myself. Where I am. Organic downloads. Okay, that will not work for me. Next, go to the visual comparison. Also, visual comparatives. Yeah, I will say that kind of that user interface is not easy to navigate. Okay, I can click on the link. Okay, nice. So that is my application. I don't know. I will not say that this one is much better, but fine. Live calendar. Interesting. Live progress goal tracker. Yeah, actually it's showing that live calendar, that's kind of interesting idea. Live goals. Yeah, that's interesting. You can see basically your competitor apps, how those are looking in the App Store. I will not say that this one looks awesome. Okay, maybe it's not so bad. Okay, mine is kind of... Nah, I don't know. I don't like it much. It's maybe... What's that? Why we have my face on it? I don't know what I was thinking when I created that. I think this one is kind of fine because the main feature of application is that widget where you can kind of have calendar and can track your habits, but that's fine maybe, but that's already using two of the screens that you can see, and then third one is my face. Why? I don't know. This one basically again the same calendar. I would say the screenshots are not the best. Probably I should kind of change that, but okay, whatever. We are going. I will do kind of keyword improvements now. That can help, yeah, conversion. So basically, you can see if I will go to the App Store. Where it is? App Store Connect. Here it is. Habit tracker. Let me check. Let I go to the reports and no, not reports. Wrong selection. Reports are about money. Analytics. Then into the daily habit tracker. So that's how analytics looks right now for this. For last, how much days? 30 days. We have 63 impressions, 6.3 thousand impressions, I mean. Impressions is basically how many times application was seen in the App Store. Basically, when you kind of write something in search, whatever, habit tracker, and that means that impression, that means that this application was visible on the screen for the user. Then we have product page views. That's probably when someone, let me see, question mark. Product page was visible. What is the difference between impressions? App's icon was viewed. Interesting. How that's different. Because if you open App Store, let me see. App Store, let's search habit tracker. So basically there is immediately you see kind of, come on, focus on the phone. Yeah, you see kind of first one that is add, and then immediately you see kind of app page. I don't know how you can see icon. Okay, maybe if you are kind of, maybe for this application, maybe that is registered as icon is seen. And then you have again product page, this one, and then again just icon. So I don't know. But basically, anyways, conversion rate is very low. Conversion rate is 1.6. That means how much downloads from each conversion rate is this one. Come on, 1.6. That is very low. 1.6 is not high. I will say 10 is really great. 5-ish, 5+ is okay. Again, depends on niche, of course. For games that can be different, for productivity or sport, health and fitness apps different, but 1.6 is bad for any niche. So that means that definitely screenshots should be updated, and to get more product page views, that's what we just changed, updated kind of keywords, app name, all that stuff. So still kind of throwing more petrol in this fire, getting more product page views by updating keywords. You can get more downloads, of course, you will get more downloads, but conversion rate will not be improved. So currently I'm fighting with those two numbers, impressions and product page views, to improve those two. Did you move setups around the room, or are you ignoring that each? I move it a little bit. I move it a little bit. So yeah, I moved everything on that desk actually. Camera was before on that side, so that's different angle. I moved everything on that desk, then we figured out that that desk will be needed for other things. I moved everything back, and probably I will move this desk to that wall, under that shelf what I have behind me, because that itch, yeah. And I have that window in front of me which is getting brighter because we are kind of coming to the summertime again. So yeah, it's not never-ending story. Hey Vadim, hello. So yeah, I think what I will do now, I will upload new app version, because we need new app version just to get updated those all the keywords. Oh, thank you, Vadim. Merry Christmas to you as well. So I need new build just to change the app name and keywords, and that's it. And then I don't know, I'm not going to do that today. It could be great to create new screenshots for the App Store. Those what I have obviously does not perform well because conversion rate is very low, so need to update that. So to do that, you know what I will do? I will just submit basically the same code base without any updates what I have. Or do I have any fixes? Well, let's see. Okay, my mini habits up. No ploy, please, on this screen. My dear friend Xcode. So boom. I'm in the mine. Wording in payroll updated. So that's probably is already submitted and nothing new there. We need to update just a app version, and that's it. Actually, what I am asking, minimal app iOS version, still iOS 16.5, that's fine. Yeah, actually I will just upload the same version. Interesting, I have conversion rate around 6% in the App Store, but still MRR quite low. How is about your MRR if it is not a secret? I do not keep it publicly, that MRR number, anymore. I had it before on Twitter profile and so on, but I'm posting it time to time in my newsletter. What did I had last time? Okay, it's building. While it's building, let's go and take a look. So what I was writing last time, let's go and take a look. Okay, in this one. Current MRR, there was something about 3.6. Yeah, about something like that. This one is before Apple cutting their 15%, so do your math. So that is number what I had when I last time posted. That's kind of growing slowly over the time. What it is, that is September, October 2023, so around that. Previously I had it just in my Twitter profile and updated it automatically, but I don't know, I do not see that kind of adds much value to kind of scream on every corner about that. Doesn't help to anything, but attracts copycats and all that stuff, and it's kind of annoying. Then here is just one person just copy pasted exactly my application. Sure, I wrote claim to Apple. Sure, application was removed from the App Store. Sure, that doesn't work, so you can't get other apps revenue just by copying it, but it's still annoying, to deal with that. So that's why I do not post it all the time, every month, and do not update on my Twitter profile. Okay, distribute this application. That revenue is for all the apps together. That's not for one specific application. That's for all the applications that I have in the App Store. Okay, uploading. Probably I will do again some kind of end of the year update for revenue from apps. I don't know. I didn't decide it yet. I did last year. You can find on my YouTube channel last year numbers. Videos. Now this one is how I'm building my indie apps. That's about process. Also kind of recommending to take a look on this one if you're interested if you're interested about the process. This one is about revenue. How much I made as indie developer in 2022. I don't know if I will do about 2023, maybe. I can just say that I have probably doubled numbers. That's definitely much more. I don't know if it is exactly doubled, but I have to take a look on numbers, but something like that. Okay. Uploaded, done. One thing that I see, what is my subjective kind of opinion, if your goal is to make money from kind of selling subscriptions in the applications or selling applications in the App Store, focus on iOS market, because Android users are kind of less willing to pay, let's say so, for apps. Okay, so did we have that build uploaded and processed? Okay, here it is coming, maybe. Oh yeah, I had version 2 as well. Version 1.5. Not here yet. Okay, whatever, that's processing. Basically what I will do, I will submit new version with all the new metadata, and at the end of the experiment I would like to compare basically initial numbers that I had today for kind of impressions and downloads, and then we will see how this App Store optimization helped, and did that help at all. And why I'm doing that now, just before New Year, because I would like to kind of check that about months later, let's say maybe in January, something like that. So otherwise I probably will not stream and will not work at all, but I would like to just do this optimization kind of work now to be able to check in January and make video about that. Notice that as well, Android brought quite a lot of users from India and iOS from US. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's the point. Yeah, if your monetization kind of strategy is to get as much users as possible, and basically maybe you are monetizing on ads, let's say, right? Then, yeah, sure, you need that Android application, because, yeah, that market is kind of huge in India, Asia, plenty of places. There are a lot of devices in the world with running Android. If your kind of business model is to sell in-app subscriptions, stuff like that, probably you will see that iOS is generating kind of most of the revenue. I saw that across the multiple projects. I don't have my own Android application in the Android App Store, now in Google Play Store, but I was working on quite a few freelance projects, and I had access to financial information and just some insights from two quite big ones, and generally that's always like that. Android is generating most of the revenue. I don't think Android users want to pay less or nothing. I rather think that all the alternative app stores are in the big problem. Google Store, of course, is standard, but that not include every custom ROM. There is Android, Amazon. Where is the worst offering something? How do you get in? I think the coverage and reach is difficult. I'm not sure because no, I do not agree with that, folks. But probably there is some problem with kind of reaching those users. Can agree with that. All right, sure, that's kind of makes sense. But we basically compared. I comparing basically two app user bases. One which is kind of Android users who downloaded the application in Google Play. Basically, we have those users. They found this application, so there is no problem for each. And we have iOS users. And for example, I was working on dating application. That wasn't really dating. That was kind of anonymous chat, but whatever, similar kind of concept and interests. Then, yeah, iOS was generating much more money. So reach kind of maybe is could help, yeah, if you can be in more kind of markets, stores or whatever you name those. But still, even those who downloaded the application, who got it through Google Play, no, they are not kind of willing to pay for it. Did you get delivered your new Mac? No, I didn't. I actually was looking today in the Ideal store, and finally they have it. Okay, go away with your ad. Finally they have it in the store. Where is the buy button? Come on, MacBook Pro. I don't know, it's not the best page, I would say. 14 M3 Max. Here it is, this one. Okay, it's already kind of. Oh, it is still available, but kind of in not big volumes. And green and dark one, here it is in Ideal Alpha. Basically, you have plenty of them. If it is green, yellowish, that means that there are few of them, and there is kind of the red kind of not available. So basically they are kind of available, but I didn't get call back from them. So I don't know, maybe they are already on Christmas holidays or what else not. And when they will call back, or I will get email from them, then I will need to do final decision. Am I getting it or not? I don't know, we'll see. Seems that currently stream is working just fine, right? If I will take it, I will take M3 Max base model. It is 64 or no 40, no not 64, 30, 36 gigs of RAM, and yeah, that's it. Are you running testing different paywalls to different markets? No, I don't. I'm kind of thinking about doing paywall experiments, but didn't start to do that yet. Android, is this phone still booting? Yeah. Good evening, Thomas. 4K, yeah, that price is kind of crazy, but that's money-making machine, you know. Kind of lack of gig RAM on M1 with 32 gigs when playing with AI models. Yeah, I do not do anything so crazy and heavy, but yeah, I don't know, it kind of 16 is not kind of enough, but M1 Pro is fine, it kind of works fine, but I have only 16 gigabytes of RAM, and that's kind of feels that I would like to have a little bit more. That's kind of problem, you know. Okay, what's going on? Do we have that app uploaded? Add build. Do we have build here available? Okay, here it is. Let's go. Buenos noches. Hello. Your videos are so awesome. Oh, thank you very much. Happy to hear. When Skynet takes over, you won't need. Yeah. I'm trying to be friendly. Check out my Wi-Fi. Where it is? Check out my Wi-Fi name. I am in Skynet, on Skynet Wi-Fi already, so I'm kind of trying to pretend to be computers friendly, robot friendly. Save. Okay, can we add it for review now? Probably. Oh, I need all that stuff in all the localizations as well. Okay. App information. Good habit to get to the bed before 11. Oh, I'm already late for that. It is 11:30 here already, so it's too late for me. But yeah, good night. Yeah, for programming only, M1 Pro is perfectly fine. We have app name here, Chinese traditional. We have app subtitled here as well for Chinese. Am I missing something here? Yeah, if you are using if you are using Mac only for programming, I think then M1 Pro. Let me say so. Even if I will still have, I had before M1 Pro, I had M1 13-inch MacBook Pro. To be frank, just for programming, that M1 still would be plenty. So what's going on? Why I'm getting, I need app name, subtitle. I have them. Oh, what's new in version? Yeah, I forgot to do that. And do I have something in promotion text here? Let's add promotion text in the new app as well. Save. For Arabic, the same. Save. For Chinese as well. Save. And what's new in version? Yeah, I totally forgot that one, what I wrote in this one. What's new in this version? I will copy paste the same stuff because in minor version, in major version, we have this update and then we have just kind of bump to get the new keywords. Oh, what was that? Save for Arabic and save for Chinese. Chinese the same. Save, add for review, continue. Will that work? Yes, so let's submit for app review. Basically, 0 changes. I just submitted the same build, but just bumped build version and updated keywords. So we'll see how much time this will take for review. It's a Christmas kind of weekend coming, or no, still coming in America, or maybe it's whatever. Basically, I think that they have slower reviews, but yeah, 22 to 27 will be kind of slower, but that's totally kind of fine. Whenever that will be updated, that will be fine. Whew. Job well done. Did the MacBooks get way more expensive? I got M1 Max with upgraded GPU for 3,700 back when it was released. Now it's the default costs 4,000. Yeah, and I was looking onto the 14-inch version. If you will go to the 16-inch, that will be even a little bit more expensive. So they are kind of if I am going to the M3 Max 16-inch, come on, give me the price. Really? So where is the Max? That's Pro. Here it is, Max. Okay, that's something already updated. Is it? Ah, yeah, here it is. 4,003. Yeah, here is the price. 4,349 for kind of base 16-inch M3. Okay, base, but M3 Max is kind of pricey one. Yeah, it is. I think it costs about the same, because I remember that I paid something very close to 3,000 for my M1 Pro, and then M1 Max was something around 4,000. Okay, it is more expensive. This one is already 4,300. There are a few hundreds more, yeah, definitely. Crazy. I'll be interested to know how long the M processor is supplied with updates by Apple. M1. I don't know. I think quite a long time. Because I don't know, that M1 is still capable. I think they probably will sell those. Probably they will keep those M1 Airs on sale for a while, because that's very cheap already. Is 8GB enough for programming? Kind of. Depends what you are doing. Got M2. Yeah, it's kind of. I will not buy 8GB of RAM device, but that's kind of I will say, it will swap like crazy, but that machine will work, let's say so. M1 Max provides, M1 Max is kind of, powerful enough, I'm new to your channel, but how long do you been in dev field before going indie? And did you start your career in iOS dev? Yes, basically, shortly. I was carpenter, soldier, policeman, bartender, technical engineers, and product manager. Then I decided to learn iOS development, and that happened in 2017. In 2017, I dropped my head of products role and started to do iOS freelancing. And basically, I wanted to build my indie applications, but it is kind of hard to make money building indie applications on the side while you are doing something else. So therefore, I switched to freelancing to be able to do iOS development kind of full time. So I will say I started kind of be more serious about indie app development somewhere in 2019 again, because in 2017, 18, I was kind of very busy with freelancing and just kind of getting my hands dirty with iOS development full time, Are you going to be here along? No, I'm not going to be here along, because it is already close to midnight. And tomorrow I'm kind of waking up early, packing my bags for vacation, going to visit my bigger kind of extended family to celebrate Christmas on Sunday. Just kind of getting together, eating food, kind of opening gifts, all that stuff. And so kind of busy next few days, going to sleep soonish. Oh, I'm happy to hear that I inspired to get into the programming. Exactly. You're welcome, Allah. So I will probably go to sleep now. Do we have any? If you have any questions, I can stay around. I'm running out of water. I have water bottle. We can do just chill, kind of sitting next to those Christmas lights and drinking water for a few more minutes. If you have anything to discuss, we can do that. I'm open to answer any of your questions because I'm done with my work. I submitted up for review. I have nothing else in my to-do list for probably all this year. So, do you use MacBook for streaming? Yes, currently I'm streaming from MacBook. Do you use PC for it? I use it PC, but that's kind of clunky to have multiple monitors, keyboards, everything. It's streaming from Mac now. When you do programming and streaming, sure, you have some performance drop. Currently, I'm using service Restream to stream to the YouTube and Kick at the same time. So that's easier than I did from PC when I stream it to the 3 or even 4 kind of destinations from the same machine. So using services like that, that's doable. How could you start freelancing when you didn't have previous work experience? You just apply for the jobs. That was my delusional kind of thinking that I know how to program, how to code. But that worked out, you know. Let's go to the Upwork. Can I log in? Let's try to log in. Can I? Upwork. Probably this one account, password. How dare you? Do not follow me on YouTube. Fix that immediately. So here's my Upwork. Where I see my profile, my stats profile probably. Yeah, that's it. So very last job I did in 2019 on the Upwork. And I started on Upwork 2017. Basically on 2017 I got very first job on the Upwork for how much? $10 fixed price. Just to, on Upwork initially you change this kind of fighting for any kind of work. And first jobs was kind of $20 an hour, 10 hours kind of project. Then fixed price something, $100 project, and then already $45 per hour in 2019. Earned how much? $1,000? Yeah. So total earnings are not much, 6K, 11 total jobs, but basically that was my first kind of work experience. I didn't have a job as a programmer before. I just jumped on Upwork and started to hunt for projects. That's it. I wanted to ask a long time ago why you moved from army. I was in army as well and wanted to go army school and drop it because injured. Oh, in army I was not contractor. I was in army because basically you had to go to army for. It's currently it's not mandatory, but when I was in that age it was mandatory. Basically I just was serving in army for 1.5 years. That's it. Oh, good night, Thomas, and have a great holidays as well. Yeah. I really liked army about 10 years ago. For me, that was more like I'm 48 now, and then in army I got in 19, so it's 30 years ago. So I spent in army 1.5 years because it was kind of, you had to kind of go to the army. I did that, and after army I went to the police, and in police I was in for about 8.5 years. Basically, together that serving was 10 years of my life, army and police. Yeah, good night, Allah. But army wasn't kind of really the thing when I was wanted to stay for forever. That was fun, 1.5 years, but then I was done. Police, that was kind of longer period of time. Also, it was fun and interesting. I kind of enjoyed, but I don't know. Then I wanted to move forward, and change things, and I did it. So yeah, about freelancing, that's kind of tricky, but one thing what I can say to each and everyone, basically I did kind of, where it was, this project, for example, electric car kind of cost calculator back in 2017. Customer was very lucky. Basically, I got kind of good, kind of 5-star review. I got my, how much? $200 because I basically that was $20 per hour work, and I built application in 10 hours. But that application was very simple, just 3 screens, and it was bad application, let me say so. It was working, functionality was great, but I know from my memory that I did kind of bad architectural kind of decisions. But customer was happy, In those freelancing sites, usually customers, not on each and every one, but usually customers are coming to look for kind of cheap workforce, and they are not usually kind of technically savvy. They don't know how good or bad you are kind of in programming. They do not judge your code, they just judge is application do what they expected to this application to do. Does this application solve their business problem? If it do, that's fine. And yeah, of course, I had few portfolio applications. What I had in portfolio here, 3 projects. I had my 2 or 3 applications in the App Store. Of course, I had some experience. I built my own applications, but that's about it. I started freelancing on Upwork. It's not so hard. It is hard to get first project there, but that's it. How you work on Fiverr? No, I didn't, just because back in 2017 Fiverr wasn't a thing. I was working on freelancer.com. I started there, didn't really like it, moved to Upwork. I liked Upwork better, and I was staying on Upwork for a bit, for about a year, year and a half maybe. And I was working in parallel with other kind of customers. I kind of switched to the work with customers directly. Fiverr, I don't know. I was thinking about getting on other kind of platforms as well. I already forgot how it is named now, but there was one like fancy Upwork, something, I don't remember the name anymore, it doesn't really matter. But basically they do kind of testing before. You have to do some tests, and they kind of agree to let you in, and they kind of giving you projects, and basically there is some kind of product manager in between customers and you as a developer, and they paying kind of maybe, I don't know, maybe better than on Upwork, whatever. I was kind of looking on that as a next step in my kind of freelancer career, but I got busy with projects that I had in kind of other things. Basically, I applied for one. I participate in one hackathon, only hackathon in which I participated. That was online hackathon, which was started by one company, which was looking actually for a developer. And I got the first place in that hackathon. I built the kind of small, simple chat applications. That was the goal of the hackathon. And I took on kind of trial to work with them, to implement a few more features in that test project first. And then they said, okay, it looks fine. let's move to the production application, and they just give me access to the production code, and I started to work on that production application. And I was only developer for that app for a while. I was working as part-time contractor. I was working for 27 hours per week on that project. So ongoing Upwork projects, that one, then few more. So TopTel, exactly, Vadim. Yeah, that's correct. TopTel, yeah. Are they still around? So I was thinking about the TopTel thing, but I got kind of busy already with TopTel. Yeah, they are still around probably. Yeah, they are kind of saying that they are hiring kind of top 3 or how much freelancing talents, and they kind of paying good money, maybe. I don't know, apply as a freelancer. So yeah, this one. But I didn't apply. I got busy with Upwork on my direct customers and never applied to this. I don't know, are they good or bad, but back in the days, back in 2018-ish, that was looking like kind of next step in the freelancing. But now I know, and before it was kind of hard to understand where to find kind of direct customers, and this is not easy. But now I know that I prefer to work without kind of this middleman like TopTel or Upwork or something else. I prefer to work directly with the bigger kind of customers, and that's what I'm doing now. Okay, it's almost midnight here. So I'm kind of jumping off from the stream. I will not stream this year anymore, so Happy New Year to everyone, and see you on next one. And yeah, Merry Christmas for those who celebrate. That's on this weekend. See you then on next year. Corey, I have a video about that on YouTube channel. Check out, search for freelance, and you will see the ways how I was looking, how I was getting freelance projects. Okay, I will definitely stream at least a little bit on next year, but I don't know when first stream will be. But I am coming back from vacation in the middle of the January, so not so soon. I will be at least 2 weeks off, at least 2 weeks, maybe 3. Okay, enjoy the holidays. See you on next one, on next live stream. Bye.